Let's make some cute scrunchies. I am making 3 different styles, so I'm using 3 different colors of fabric. Stitch along this line. Fold the top and bottom sides to the middle, like this. Then fold again. Finally, fold the bottom side to the top. Then start stitching. Remember to pull the fabric inside as you go down. Leave a small gap open at the end. Then start pulling this inside out. Do the same for the other scrunchies. Grab a piece of elastic, measuring 9 inches, and drag it through each one till the end. Make a knot at the end and you're done. For the decoration, grab some leftover fabric of the same colors. Stitch the top and bottom sides, like this. Make sure one side is open, like a pocket. Then flip this over inside out. Then fold like this and stitch the top and bottom sides only. Stitch this into a bow tie. With the other fabric, fold it into a long thin piece and stitch the top. Make a frill design using your sewing machine. Turn another piece of fabric of the same color into a bow tie, as well, using the same technique shown earlier in the video. Start rolling the frill design fabric into a rose and stitch it as you go. Then glue or stitch the decor onto your bow tie. Now let's turn the other black bow tie into a flower decor piece. Fold it like this and stitch to secure. I then filled the middle with white beads. Then glue or stitch this onto the other bow tie. You can turn these into hair clips or stitch them onto the scrunchies you made. The end result is so simple yet so beautiful. Follow my channel for more scrunchie related content and easy ideas like these. I hope you liked this idea.